Established in 2000 with 6 school-based nurseries located within Louisiana's coastal zone, there are now more than 40 schools across 17 parishes participating in the Coastal Roots Seedling Nursery Program. The mission of Coastal Roots is to educate both teachers and students about the issues of coastal stewardship and sustainability, and to have them actively participate in coastal habitat restoration through a native species planting on a small part of our coast. Each student-managed Coastal Roots school-based plant nursery produces native plants for use in coastal restoration plantings. Students managing these nurseries oversee the entire growth cycle of the plants, from seed germination to the planting of 1-year-old seedlings or grass plugs on their annual restoration trip. This video showcases the uniqueness of this particular planting site and its restoration needs, while providing students with a better understanding of the value of their restoration work.
Yes, these are oak trees that were planted right here. 2 different species of oaks, and they are mass producing. And I've got them, or I had them planted away from the frontage road. We don't want wildlife and the bears to kind of loaf near the roads while they're eating, so they could get hit. So they're far enough back there where that shouldn't be a problem. That is really dear to me. The service is very much community engagement focused, so the more community buy-in, and especially our schools that can come here with the kids, and they start from the acorn to the tree, and they put them in the ground. That is awesome. It's really good to get them out on the refuge. They learn about refuges. They understand how the trees sprout and how they grow, and they go home, and we engage other communities that may not be right here in Franklin, but they might be an hour away. So it's a tremendous program. They do plant, and they provide a lot of food sources, and they also plant cypress trees, which help our wetlands. And cypress are native here, so depending on where they're at along the coast, they're having kind of a rough time with the salt water invasion and stuff. So it's nice that we're also replanting cypress trees. So not only do the trees help the wildlife, all wildlife, everything from roosting to nesting to feeding to providing protection, trees are really, really important. We're also providing a beautiful source for the communities to enjoy. And the kids can come back and look at